Hey yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video. Today in this video, we are gonna show you how you can create unlimited Facebook account without using any phone number. And this trick is 100% working for now. And I cannot guarantee you that how long this trick's gonna work. So make sure to use these tricks instantly. And I am posting this video on 15th of November, so these tricks, I think, gonna work for 1 month or 15 days. So I will suggest you to make so many, you could say hundred and thousands of Facebook account with this trick, or as many as you can create. Okay, so this trick is very easy, and this is three-step process, and you are not gonna need any kind of number. Okay, and without using any number also, you do not have to waste any money, and this tricks is 100% working, and I can guarantee you, I can challenge you, there is no YouTuber who are talking this method, who are is talking about this method. I can guarantee you that you can research about this method on YouTube. This is a whole new fresh method, so I will request you to watch this video till the end, because at the end of this video, you are gonna know how to create unlimited Facebook account, and this is a secret and dark hat method. Because of that, YouTube won't allow me to upload directly the process or method. Because of that, as a result, I have created a separate full method video. Okay, for all you guys, and you could download that for free. Okay, I'm not charging any money or something like that. Just you have to download this. If YouTube guidelines, community guidelines didn't give me any barrier, I could upload that video on YouTube directly, but the YouTube community guidelines is so strict, guys, you know that. Because of that, I am not able to upload this method on YouTube directly, and I won't waste any of your time. I will just request you to watch this video till then, because I have shown the download process. Okay, how you can download the video or any kind of file that I share on my channel. You could download that by watching this process, and everything, every material download process is the same. Okay, and it is very easy. you it will take you only 1 minute. Okay, it will take you only 1 minute to download. Okay, no pop-up ads or something like that, and no virus or something like that. Okay, you can easily download anything with this process from the link I share. Okay, and I can give you some hint that how you could create unlimited Facebook account in this video, that we are using a template site. Okay, this template site is a very new and fresh. No one is about to using, or no one know this site. Because of that, this is very fresh, and because of that, we are being able to create unlimited Facebook account. And also, after this video, I will show you the new method of how to create unlimited Instagram account without getting banned or any issue. And after that, I you can hope that we will show you numerous method of creating unlimited account of unlimited many social media platform like Telegram, WhatsApp, Instagram, Facebook. Also, we will show you a process of getting unlimited Gmail account. Of And we will show those method in future. So we are not gonna talk about this in this video, and just to watch the method video, how to download, and download the process, and just work. Okay, just keep quiet and work. Do not tell this method to anyone. This is a highly secret and secure method, and this is gonna work for maybe 15 to 1 month. Because after I post this video, this if this video got a high retention and high view, this method could stop working. Okay, so just download and work. Download and start working. And here is the download process video. So guys, to download the video or to watch this video, this method is very easy and it will take only 1 minute. Let me show you that. And to download the process, the method how to create unlimited uh, Facebook account or any kind of account or anything that I will upload on this channel, you just have to go to my website. Okay, you just have to go to my website because I have created a website for you. The website name is www.technicalraffin.blogspot.com, and I will show the website name on the screen, and make sure to write the right spelling so that you could reach the main or the correct website of mine. And we will just copy this link. Okay, www.technicalraffin.blogspot.com. We'll just copy it here, just copy or write and open a browser. Okay, after opening a browser, then just search here, search. uh, as you can see here, we are on our website. You will see a post, how to create unlimited Facebook account for free cryptocurrency. It's November 15, 2023. Okay, if you do not find this with this post, you can search over here. Okay, how to create unlimited Facebook. After searching, you will get this post. Okay, after coming to our website and getting this post, you have to just click on this post. Okay, okay, after clicking on this post, you just have to scroll a little bit. You just have to scroll a little bit. Just ignore all these things. You have to scroll a little bit. We will scroll a little bit and you get an option that is called learn more. Okay, first of all, you have to click on learn more, and it will take a redirect you to a page, and just will cross the page. And after that, if you are interested in cryptocurrency or money making method, you would click on these things. Okay, yeah, we can learn more. Okay, we'll go to learn more. So if you are not willing to learn more, after clicking learn more, we'll click on click here. Okay, we'll click on click here, and this will redirect us to this page, okay, Google site. Okay, Google site, and we'll wait for couple of seconds so that this site could get reloaded. Okay, this site have reloaded, and as you can see, this is the method video I have uploaded here. Okay, this is uh you have to watch this video from here. This is a highly secure and secret method. Do not share to anybody. I am requesting, do not share to anybody because this is a very secret and new method. Please do by yourself and ignore this all this advertisement. Okay, I need to make money. Well, that's why I have added this advertisement, and I will show you in next in a future video that how you can also um make money with this advertisement, and you could get this advertisement and earn and lots of monies. Okay, and I will also tell you how to create a free website and other stuff like that. So make sure to follow our channel and subscribe please, and you will just have to click here. And yes, this was the process, and I will give you the things, file downloads, or the videos, methods, everything like this. So you may not I think you may not need other video where I will show you to how to reach this place. Okay, just watch this video and you will know. And for the new viewers, you need to watch this video how to reach this place. Okay, okay. So this was the end, and this was the method, and you need to watch this method from here. After watching this method, you will be able to create unlimited Facebook account. And thank you so much. Thank you so much you all for watching this video till the end. And I hope you will watch my previous video also to get help. And till then, take care and bye bye.